Hi guys, Rick Malava here with yet another Maya 2012 possible bug or graphics card error or graphics driver error on this particular one. I can't really tell if it's graphics card or graphics driver issue because I've actually fiddled around with another version of Maya that I have installed on this machine, and I can't seem to get this behavior to happen. But it's one of those things that it can pop up within the first 30 seconds of modeling, or you could model for an entire day and it won't happen. Right now I've just got a cube on the screen, and if I do something like, let's say, grab a vertex here, and then I try to throw a chamfer on the vertex, it doesn't update. And I have to jiggle the screen a little bit. So I just grab the model and I rotate it a little bit, and it updates. The other thing is I'll hit the Z key to undo that, and it doesn't. Oh, actually, that time it did. Let's try something like this. Let's grab this edge right here and throw a bevel on it. And there you go, it didn't actually bevel, but if I jiggle the screen, boom, the bevel happens. And if I come over here, the other problem when this pops up is all of a sudden you'll notice my channel box is completely empty. So I can't go in and adjust the bevel. The other thing that's part of this bug is the outliner basically doesn't update as well. Now I'll hit the Z key to undo that bevel, it doesn't happen, but if I grab the model and jiggle it, hit the Z key again and jiggle it, it goes away. And it's annoying because as you're modeling, you don't really think about this. You'll do something and it doesn't work, so you just do it again, and it doesn't work, so you'll do it again, and then you'll jiggle the model, and all of a sudden you've done something 3 times, and your model is now hopelessly messed up. Or the opposite will happen. You'll undo something and it won't undo, so you'll hit undo again, and then that doesn't do anything. And you hit undo. Next thing you know, you've done 15 undos, and you jiggle the model, and you've just undone 15 steps, and you didn't know how to do it. And then it's really annoying because, or I should say, it can become even more annoying because then the next thing you do is you try to do a Shift to Z to redo and get back where you were, and Maya seems to just randomly decide that it's going to empty out your undo queue. And you'll get a message like there are no more commands to redo, or the opposite. There's no more commands to undo when you have like your undo queue set to 50, and it can't seem to remember 5. So it's just been a never-ending stream of annoying problems with 2012 here. Like I said, the jury is still out on this one. I don't know. This could possibly be a graphics card issue because I did just recently install drivers for my NVIDIA card. I'm running a GTX 285, actually a pair of them in this machine, although I don't believe Maya takes advantage of SLI. And I just turned off Arrow, so I'm not using Arrow anymore, and so it doesn't seem to be the Arrow thing that's affecting it. And I tried to put the Maya 2009 environment variable for GTX to not try to do overlays, but I don't think that command is actually doing anything, or that variable does anything in Maya 2012. So that's kind of where I'm at with this, just in case anybody else sees this problem, and maybe they can shed some light on what's happening, or we can actually confirm if it's a graphics driver issue or not. I am running, as I said, an NVIDIA graphics card, and I believe the version of the driver I currently have installed is it's the latest one. It's like 280, and here, let me. Yeah, it's version 280.26 is the version of the driver that I'm currently using. So there you go. That's it. Just giving people heads up on the kind of bugs I'm running into with my 2012, and hopefully, if we see enough of these, we can start getting them fixed up, because I'd really like to use my 2012, but it's in this current state. I just you can't get anything done because you're constantly crashing and things aren't working the way they're supposed to work, and it's becoming very annoying.